So far we've made the bed and I think it looks really cute. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home, and I am so excited you're here today because I have so much to share with you. I am gonna be spending the day with you. I have to get our guest bedroom ready because family are coming to stay next weekend, so I have to spruce it up with Christmas. I have to go out shopping for last minute items, and then also have to get ready because I haven't even had time to get ready after breakfast, after going to the gym. So it's just been a crazy morning. It is right now around 10 o'clock in the morning and my day is just now getting started. So first step will be taking a bath, shaving and putting some makeup on. Yes, I do wear makeup, and then after that we're gonna get ready to spruce up our guest bedroom and Christmasify it. So if you wanna see this day-long vlog, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Gotta go. You know, a lot of people forget that sometimes when you're in camera, there is so much work that has to go into just getting in front of that camera. Like, you as a guy, you have to shave, you have to prep, you have to, it's not just about the lighting and about recording and uploading, but there's just so much that goes into making a video for YouTube. And I'm sure that most of the creators that are watching this understand. And so as a guy, you have to shave, you have to prep. And since I went to YouTube, I learned that the light really brings out the redness, and because I'm very fair skinned, so I have to put makeup on. It's a process. I'm not lying to you guys. I had to go and get a brush. I had to go get some concealer for under my eyes. I had to go get foundation to even out my skin, so that way when the camera or the lights are on me and I'm recording, then I'm not as red and my skin looks a little bit more even. So the very first thing I do is I put a real good moisturizer, and I'm not gonna go through the whole routine, but just so you guys kind of see what a guy's makeup looks like. So what it is that it has this redness reducer. It kind of looks like makeup, but it's not. So if you guys want to see the whole routine, leave me a comment down below and I'll be glad to show you the whole routine. But then using this sponge, you just go to town with it. Alright, that is step number 1, and I have 4 to go. It's a super easy routine. So I'll finish and I'll see you guys when I'm all dressed and ready to be camera ready. And I'm back. As you guys can see, it is a process just to be camera ready every morning. I eat breakfast, I go to the gym, I shower, I shave, I put my makeup on, because I learned this when I went to YouTube Next Up this past fall. They were playing this video of mine on a big ginormous screen, and I did not like the way I looked on that screen because I looked unfinished. So I told myself, Ramon, from now on you cannot be on camera without looking properly. So it is a process, but I'm glad to do it because I love what I do, and because I love what I do, we're gonna go tackle that guest bedroom because we have people staying over this weekend, and I want to Christmasify it a little bit for them to feel more in tune with the season. So we're gonna change the bedspread, we're gonna put some nutcrackers around, and I want you to follow me because I will show you how I do that step by step. Let's do it. So far we've made the bed and I think it looks really cute. I'm gonna add some finishing touches like nutcrackers, and I'm gonna go looking for a wreath on my storage to hang above that headboard to make it look even more Christmassy. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, that's all I have for today. I had so much fun putting this video together because it needed to get done. My friends will be here this weekend and I really want them to feel treated for the holiday season. Now I'm gonna go out shopping, buying a few items to put on their bed as a care package, like perhaps some teas and coffees and things like that they can take when they go home, perhaps even some ornaments. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, what do you do when you have family come over? Do you spruce up their rooms? Do you put some care packages? I really want to know, and I cannot wait to read your comments. If you want to watch my home tour, I'm going to link it up right here. You can watch more videos right here, and to subscribe to my channel, all you have to do is click on this button right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.